Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to use Moneygram to pay rent. If you have any pending rent and you would like to pay, you can use the Moneygram and it is super easy and simple to use it. So first, you just have to simply search for Moneygram on its website. Once you get there, you will see different options. From there, you have to click onto this Pay Bills. Once you click onto it, it will just take a while to load and after that, it will take you this page. Now you have to add your biller name or receive code. You can just simply type it here and after that it will appear there. You can either add the code or the name. Once you find the right code or the person, you just have to simply click onto it and then click on pay bill. And after that, it will show you the details of that person. Now what you have to do is that you just have to add the amount of how much you would like to pay the rent. It's up to you, or whatever the bill or the rent you have, you can just simply add it and click on this option. And after that, it will take you to this page. So sometimes the person has added the card, so you get the card option, you can add up there. Otherwise, you can just simply place the bill physically. The person will get the bill and then the person will pay, or whatever the person is will pay. So you can use the map to locate where you would like to get the bill, or you can also search it. Once you find that desired place, you will get the bill and then you can just simply add other details. Once you add so, your bill will be get paid. So that's how you can use MoneyGram to pay rent. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.